Welcome back to Plane Spotting Henry. We are here bright and early at Manchester Airport as the time is around 7 AM. News on the airlines. We've got a free EasyJet lineup going on to the farther runway, and then also in about 10 minutes we have a Cathay Pacific landing, which will be good because you can see that's the airport. Well, normally they're going up the other way, but due to the wind it's changed today and they will be coming up the other way. So here's our departure. EasyJet going to Nice, A320. Is our first EasyJet. Well, now we have our second. Oh wait, no, that's the third, sorry. The second is there, lining up. And I'm not seeing much else around at the moment. But this EasyJet is going to Corfu and is an A320 again. Rotating up now. And off it goes into the distance. And another EasyJet's actually just come in for landing. That's come from London, so a very short journey. About 34 minutes it's saying it took here. TUI is coming in. That's come from Cancun. There's a 787-9 Dreamliner. One of the newest versions is that. And it is operated by a different aircraft in the winter, still made out of TUI though, by TUI Flying Nordic. So, and you can just about see the lights there. Of the Cathay Pacific. that's coming from Hong Kong, and that is an A350. So if you just look at the nose when it comes past, you'll notice they'll be quite pointy. Now the A350 and 777s are one of the aircraft that's got one of the most private nose, like jet aircraft. The ones that take the lead is like Concorde and private jets. They've got pointy noses. But out of the jet fleet, behind the trees for a minute, but it should pop out. There it comes. Reverse thrust going in now. Just slow the aircraft down. You can also see the flaps are raised. All helps to get the aircraft to a halt. Slowed down quicker than I thought it would, to be fair. Might be quite an empty flight because from where it comes from, it will set off about midnight or something. Just about see the pilots and look at the cockpit. See the pointy nose as well. Well, another EasyJet's lining up on runway. And can't really see much else at the moment, but the Emirates is also coming in 5 minutes, just to let you know. And there's that EasyJet ready for departure. Now they're obviously focusing on the EasyJet at the moment because the TUI stopped moving and the Cathay Pacific's going to queue behind it. This EasyJet's going to the Isle of Man, and there's an Airbus A320. So I think one of the next flights is going to be the Emirates. So that's the terminal, so not much going on around there really. But Cathay Pacific's coming to a stop really now as well. TUI's moving again, so hopefully that queue won't be there for long. And now there'll just be a focus on getting them out the way before the Emirates comes. A Jet 2 has just appeared as well. The terminal. Yeah. So I'll be departing, but sadly it takes about the time for the Emirates to come in, for that jet to get to the runway. That is an Aer Lingus, and it's coming from Belfast. Really noisy propeller engines. To move out the way for the Emirates, but that jet2.com, I'm starting to think that's only going to get to the runway at about the time the Emirates sets off. There's also 2 on the way. But we can see a light of the Emirates now. So it is on approach. Can you see it? There with its 4 engines. Yeah, I'm not sure if we're gonna get the Jet 2 or the 2. See if we can see them. The Jet 2's about not have that much left to taxi, but you know, and the Emirates is running out of room in the air, so he's going to have to land eventually. Nearly touched down now. The jet2.com is just entering line way, so I think Hal is right. We're not going to see that. See the wind now. And touchdown. Loganair is coming in from the Isle of Man. Not taking much room to slow down as the Emirates. So we've got a Ryanair out in now. Let's go to Oslo with a Boeing 737. And that B-EZWL is coming along. We'll be going to London because that's the only place British Airways operate from here now, sadly. They kind of stopped doing flight to America not long after the retired Boeing 747s, British Airways. There's quite a few people left now. And then the only big one that I can think that's left is Atlas and the Boeing 747 fleet, sadly. Because Qantas have gone, British Airways have gone. I remember watching a video here in pandemic, the last flight, it was a Virgin Atlantic, it was the last flight from Manchester. Anyway, it's just a Ryanair coming in now. It's come from Berlin. There's a Boeing 737 MAX 8. So Ryanair only operates 737s. But they do different types of 737s, so they do the Dash 8, I think they do the Dash 9 as well, they do the MAX 8. There goes the British Airways. Jet2 Summer Holidays. It's just about ready. And then there's an aircraft that doesn't have any paintings on whatsoever. And then an EasyJet. This Jet2 Summer Holidays is going to Sofia and is an A321. we introduced a video with an EasyJet lineup 1, 2, 3. Well, we've got this mysterious, not known plane, and then we have EasyJet to it, EasyJet, and then I think we've got a busy time for departures because there's also a Jet 2 summer holidays that's just come out the terminal, so that's going to tag along to these 4, 5. To my home. It is a Boeing 737-8. We'll be waiting for something. There we go. I think you'll just find the flight checks. Like they're letting all the landings go first that have come in, because they're going on the runway, because the Emirates is going, the Loganair's going in, the Ryanair's going in. They've all been queuing there for at least 5 minutes, so they need to go. EasyJet moving again now. Another A320. It looks like they're all going to be A320s. Not both the EasyJets, not the Jet 2s. The EasyJets look like they're both A320s. This one's going to Geneva. This one here are on the wrong aircraft then. Oh, and hold on a minute, there's a Ryanair coming in. Again, you'll have to be a Boeing 737. So 737-8. It's gonna race with the EasyJet as that departs as well. I'm not seeing as many Ryanair Cathay, and then yeah, there's another EasyJet, which will be our 7th, and there's a Jet to some holidays, and there's a Jet 2, then there's another EasyJet, and then there's a TUI. So every time you get to only about 3 planes left, one just departed and there's 3 left. More come. Looks like the Jet to some holidays is gonna go first. That's going to Alicante, and there's a Boeing 757. Wow, I don't see many of them around anymore. To Naples and is an A320. So I was right, I guess they'd all be A320s. And the 7th EasyJet is an A320, just like the other 6. It looks like I'm right. The Jet2.com's not going, and 2 EasyJets are coming up the taxiway. So we still got at least another 5 planes, and I'm sure a minute ago I saw a Ryanair. So at Manchester Airport, never think it's over, because in the morning normally you will get another 5 million planes come out of nowhere. Like, we've just seen all these. You'd think, where do they store them? Because now we just had our 7th EasyJet, the one behind the Jet 2's the 8th, then there's another 2, which means 9, 10, and then I can already see 1 in a gate. No, I can see 3 in a gate, so that's 13 EasyJets. So I can see a light in the sky for landings. That's going to be an Air Lingus. We missed one of them. That was just the plane we missed. It just landed before we started our video. So it's good we get to see another Air Lingus land. Landing now. It is the Aer Lingus that we said about before. It's come from Dublin, and it is another A320. Now, if that's an A320, we've seen more A320s than EasyJets, because all the EasyJets have been A320s. Now, the thing I like about EasyJets and how they've always got A320s in the fleet, it means that if it's an A320neo, the EasyJet's saying neo on the plane, and if you talk to someone that had no clue whatsoever about plane, you can hear, oh yeah, it's an A320neo, and it sounds like you know all the different types of A320s, and really the EasyJet fleet tell you on the side of the plane. This EasyJet's actually going somewhere really nice. It's going to Barcelona, and it's an A320 again. This EasyJet's going to Amsterdam, and it is an A320 again. So is that our 9th EasyJet we see? I think it is. You know, today I think the EasyJet fleet's bigger than the Ryanair fleet. It's just I don't know how many planes they've got in at the moment, because that's at the very far side of the air. Again, we're not at the end of all this traffic. The Ryanair's just come to join us and just touched down as Ryanair. Ryanair's at the back of the queue for taking off, and there's a Ryanair landing now. It's come from Malaga. And there's a Boeing 737 MAX 8. There's the part, just the two is to for the EasyJet. There is the two in with runway first, and that will be our first departure. And then it will be the EasyJet, I would think, and then after the EasyJet, the two-way, and the Ryanair, and then probably another 5 EasyJets will come. This is a Boeing 737. He's going to pull up. They're in. Landing gears up now. Now our order is this EasyJet, which will be an A320 of course. Then it's the TUI, then it's Ryanair, then another Ryanair after that. So I was right, this is an A320 and it is going to Lanzarote. The two has actually come to a stop and not moving on to the runway. I'm not sure if that means... Oh wait, no, the Ryanair's cutting in, that's why. I'm just wondering if there were air control like busy telling like or a load of other aircraft around the terminal, and it was just waiting to do its final checks with air control, but now I was waiting for the Ryanair, which will go first. And then while the Ryanair goes, the TUI will get on the runway, and the TUI will go, and then a Ryanair will go, and then again. Don't be ashamed, that's not the end. The Jet2 Summer Holidays is coming as well. Is going to Gothenburg and it's Boeing 737. There we go. And gentlemen, there is a Lufthansa coming in soon, and that is going to be our final aircraft for the day. Before that, I think we're going to get these 3 departures though, which we'll watch. And then if 3 EasyJets come, it's just, we can't really do them. There's 2 Boeing 737-8. And he's in Ibiza, and he's going to Ibiza. I'm not sure how to pronounce that. And you can just see a little dotted light in about the middle of the screen, and that is landing. Oh no. A flock of birds is just going over an airport, and as a pilot, you land in a plane, you do not want to see that. The Ryanair setting up, going to Venice, and there's a Boeing 737-8. Here comes the Jet2 Summer Holidays. It's an A321. Yeah, small aircrafts are A321s. Smaller anyway. breeze, and I'd like to be on that plane going somewhere warm. And there is the Lufthansa. Coming down the runway, and I really like the colour scheme of Lufthansa. Come from Frankfurt. The really commonplace for Lufthansa is an A319, because Lufthansa are one of the I said Atlas there were one of the biggest airlines now for Boeing 747. Well, Lufthansa are quite a few as well. They go to Frankfurt. This is in the Star Alliance colour scheme. So in a different aircraft, it's just, if we zoom right in, you can see it says Lufthansa underneath it. The Star Alliance like a sponsorship to lots of different aircraft, but normally they have the logo where it says Lufthansa, but sometimes you can get it where it does it in big and says Lufthansa really small. But really, if you're looking for an addition from just looking at the tail, you can't tell that it says Star Alliance, because that is the Lufthansa colour scheme, like darkest blue, and then they have a bird that's around the silver whitey type colour. Well, that's got a star, it's a silver whitey type colour, so from a distance you wouldn't tell that that's in the Star Alliance colour scheme. Well, our final aircraft, I think, is going to be an EasyJet. Wait, no, it's not. It's going to be this little jet. It's just all of a sudden appeared out of nowhere. So, Loganair. I'm from Aberdeen, and there's an Embraer. Is going to be this EasyJet if it departs quick. Now I've lost track of what EasyJet that is. It might be the 11th, it could be the 12th, but we've certainly seen a lot. It's an A320, just like always. And I'm starting to wonder if that's the only one Manchester operating EasyJet. I don't know it as a fact, it's just because we see so many. It's going to roads, but it also isn't moving, which isn't a good sign. Unless it's waiting for the Loganair to taxi over the runway and then go. Honestly, with final planes here, I think we just have bad luck, because we've gone back to our viewing spot where we did the first video, and I don't know how long you've been with us, but if you've seen the first video, you'll know that we were waiting on an EasyJet for about 21 minutes, I think it was, in the end. And then it finally departed, so a final aircraft turned into 8 final aircraft. And I don't know if it's going to be the same with this EasyJet or what, but or if when I go to the viewing spot, the pilots just like to wind me up. We came over here because obviously the landing the other way, and you can get a better view of landings than in our normal spot. It could be for birds. That's another possibility, because I can see quite a lot of birds, so the bird patrol's going round. But again, this might not be our final aircraft, because I can see lights of another one coming in. It just stops and there's nothing really we can do about it. Ryanair just touched down now. It's come from Madrid and it's a Boeing 737 of course, but the type of 737 is a MAX 8. Now how I've lost track of the EasyJets, like is it the 13th, 14th, I actually don't know what video I'm on. Decided we're going to end on the Helvetic. Coming from Zurich, because that EasyJet has got no sign of movement whatsoever. I don't know if it's got a problem or what, but down comes the Helvetic then. Our final aircraft. Unless the EasyJet moves now, we're not going to see that in this video. And it's not like we're missing out on like the Emirates or something. It's an EasyJet. We've seen like at least 10 of them already, so it's not a really big plane. I wonder if I was right the first time it was waiting for like company really, because there's a jet to some holidays coming now. Here comes the Helvetic. And now the EasyJet really is just winding me up. It's moving again now. So that is going to be our final aircraft. We're not going to wait for the Jet 2 summer holidays, but seeing as though we've waited for ages, we might as well see it now it's on the runway at least. To go past the Helvetic. Landing gears up. you've enjoyed the video, and I will see you in the next one. Over and out.